Hello, trading has closed on the 27th of August 2013. I'm Jeffrey Tennant, and I'd like to try to predict tomorrow's stock market. Early on, it was obvious that the targets from August 22nd were going to print just slightly after their preferred time frame. Just before the open, here's a chart of the futures. Right about here, I said there was a fairly good chance, but not a requirement, that we would have an 8 to 10 point move up. This move is actually 8.5 points up, which was pure luck, but it's not really enough because it happened only in the futures market. Let's come back to real-time trading. Because one of these targets is optional, and optional targets usually work but don't have to work, we don't have to have an 8 to 10 point move up by tomorrow's close. The signal doesn't say from where the move would start, but I think there's a good chance that we have it. There is a MEJT target of 1637.08, most likely to print Wednesday, tomorrow. The system identified this move here as not for keeps. It identified this move here as not for keeps, and it's saying this move here is not for keeps too. As I've been saying, whenever you're in a market environment like this one, which we've identified as impulsively down, there is an increased risk that any target at a higher price fails. And there is an increased risk that the 1637.08 target fails, and there is an increased risk that the call for an 8 to 10 point move up fails also. The system doesn't really give us a good stop loss, but other forms of technical analysis do. And because of these other forms of technical analysis, I feel that today's low area is very significant. If this low holds or is violated only slightly, I think we have a chance to move up. If this low area falls, I think we could be in for some more downside. That's the call. Let's see if it works.